person. I joined at Jspiders in the month of December and have learned a lot of new technical things, and I got placed in the month of March. Jspiders Rajajinagar is a very good place to learn the programming languages, especially for non-IT students who want to make their career in IT field. It's the best platform. The trainers here are very supportive and they are very much interact with the students, and they teach everything from scratch, and which will help the students to crack the interviews very easily. The HRs are also supportive and they provide a lot of opportunities irrespective of their branches and year of password and their percentage. I would like to thank Jspiders Rajajinagar for for shaping my career in the IT field.